Hi, today I will show you how to easily remove or change AirPods for Razer Kraken Kitty USB gaming headsets. These are super sweet pink gaming headsets for my grandma, since she streams a lot with these headsets. It's nice that these air cushions can be easily removed and put back on new or cleaned AirPods. The link to the new replacement AirPods is in the video description. To remove the AirPods, you have to insert a finger from the inside the pad, grab the AirPod and pull it out of the groove in the headphone housing. It really is that easy. Now do the same with the other side. To put the AirPod cushions back on, you first have to stretch the edge, then try to get as long apart as possible into the groove of the headphone housing. It is important to hold the inserted part on both sides afterwards, so it doesn't slip out of the groove. The remaining part is pulled inside the groove with the help of the other hand. The finger from the inside of the AirPod can help to make this easier. The important thing is that as soon as you put a new part in the groove, you hold it in place. Otherwise it will slip out and start never-ending story. Finally, when all the AirPods are in the groove, rotate it so that the seam is down. Then repeat the same steps for the other AirPod. Keeping in mind the rules, you can do this in a really easy way. In the next video I will show you how to fix a broken USB jack, so you don't have to buy a new headphones. Good luck!